Pull it around twice. No, don't tie it, don't tie it. Pull it tight. There you go, right there.
No, it may not. It's not.
And one more time. Hey, tighten it up. There you go.
Okay, so we weren't planning on doing this today, but this is how farm life happens.
In a good spot.
We have the bull calf up here, and we have him lured. William. It's okay?
Please go.
No.
You got it? Fine?
Yep.
I'm not tying him down. I'm getting his back leg shackled.
Does Julian man this if he gets loose?
Huh?
Do we keep this shut if
No,
he
it's
gets
good
loose?
shut.
Okay, Marie, you stay. Look at what you're doing on your screen. Do you want me to get a little higher?
His eyeballs are popping out.
Yeah, it's fine.
He's dressing. Okay, okay, okay.
That's what we
Good.
want.
That's what we want. Okay, you want me to stand here?
Yeah, we want.
It seems awkward.
Yeah, it's
If
fine.
he falls, is that okay?
It's fine. It's fine.
We're castrating a bull. Okay,
Hold on.
I was giving my
Hold on.
speech. I'm waiting. You want his knee to be in there? Joint. He's not going anymore. You sure?
Are you sure that thing can hold it? Because if that goes down, the building goes down.
Now his legs are tied together so he kind of loses his strength. And we're crooked, but it is how we are. Just be aware.
Marie, wrap that tighter. Pull it tighter, quick. Cinch it up.
Happens.
Okay, one of his
All right,
legs.
let's move on. Let's move on.
Okay,
No,
well.
I'm down actually.
Yeah. Do you want me to move it?
So what do you want me to do? We lost one of his feet. Hold on, Marie. You stay.
Tabitha Joy. Stay back,
Do you want to
Tabitha.
get his
Lock the
feet
door.
back up?
No.
Actually, don't lock it because we might need to get out. Once you get his leg tied up, I can loosen his head a little bit so you can actually lay
No,
down.
I don't want him.
You want him to be like that?
Yep. Right here. Pull it tight. Wrap it twice. Twice for that. Nope, down going. There you go. Okay, this is comfortable.
For him?
He's okay.
He's
It looks awkward, but he's okay. He actually is in a nice, safe position where he's not going to be able to hurt himself. He's not going to like this, though. Okay. So you usually do not castrate a bull at a year old, but it was my hopes to sell him as a breeder, and then he had an injury at birth, which is concerning for us when he gets to be full size, if he'll be able to continue to walk properly. So that is why we are castrating him now. It is not ideal, but he's starting to become a bull, which is not safe really on a farm with kids and horses and all that stuff. The horses take, they're in charge, so they do their job, but it's something we need to take care of. It's okay, buddy. So then he, instead of being a breeding bull, he's going to be a meat bull. So it's bloody, but he's okay. It's quick.
Well, it'd be quicker than a little bit bigger knife, but that's what I got.
I got a nice one right here.
There we go. Another one.
One.
Yes.
Just got one?
How? You got the better knife.
I got it. It's fine.
I'm just putting this behind you, just if your hands get too slippery, so you can do it.
Tabitha, honey, please stop it.
This is not Mama's cup of tea here. This big one?
Almost done. Almost.
Last one.
Okay.
Well,
All of them are.
you can move around. Give him his tetanus.
Oh.
Huh?
You want me to get on the other side?
Oh, wait there.
He's breathing.
No, I'm saying if you move.
No, hold on. Daddy will tell you exactly what to do.
Here.
Here.
Yeah, yeah.
This by the back
Come on.
door.
Hot.
Basement back door.
Come on, yeah.
William, I want you guys to all back
Come on,
up
yeah.
immediately.
Come on, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Here.
Yeah, yeah.
There he goes. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. William,
Hit.
these need to both go back.
Come on,
and
hit.
forth. Basement.
Sometimes it's just opportunity.
Okay, so the bull calf went into the barn, and Josh was just out here doing some work, and he said, you know, he's in a really good position to go ahead and castrate him because we've been waiting for him to just come up onto into the barn on his own. Anyway, so he's up there, so it was very quickly just go get all the stuff and do it. So we didn't have much time to think about it or anything like that.
Tetanus shot.
Tetanus shot.
Castration. Now he's a steer.
Now he's a steer. You think this fall we'll be able to?
Yeah, this fall we'll harvest him right before hay.
And this will be our first year harvesting a bull on a steer on ourselves.
Yeah.
We've done sheep, we've done rabbits, we've done chickens, but we've never done a bull, a steer. So yeah, that'll be interesting. He's, you know, obviously it looks gory, it looks, you know, dramatic, but he's out there eating right now. So
most of the time they put him in a chute and they actually just crush everything.
Yeah,
so
they use this crushing tool, but we don't have that.
Yeah, we have the crushing tool as well.
A clamp. So anyway, so yeah, you know, just a normal Tuesday morning on a farm. You don't expect that's gonna happen, but it happens sometimes. So everything went well, and now we just wait until he's a big steer. So